light, magic, and puppeteering.
Are puppets alive?
Well, of course, puppets are alive. Meow, 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 meow. Everything is made of energy. The wind, plants, animals, and yeah, even the objects that don't look like they're moving are really moving at a small, microscopic level. So, that's right, everything is alive. Puppets are alive. Meow, meow, meow. And, experiment. See what you can bring to life. The second part of my answer, if puppets are alive, meow, 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 is that it requires imagination. And that means that if you
slow down
and listen, then you can bring things even more to life. Meow, meow, meow. Really? Meow, 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 meow. Oh my goodness, what a great idea. We're gonna go make some soup.
Who is your favorite puppet?
One of my favorite puppets is naturally, hello, the human hand. Excuse me, are you in there? Oh, there you are. Yeah, so here's the human hand. Very good. And, oh yeah, peace out everyone, or peace in. Would you like to show them what you can do if we shine a little light on you? Shadow puppetry allows the hand to transform.
Why do I make puppets?
Puppetry, an ancient art that brings light, love, and inspiration to the very core of our existence, brings storytelling back to our reality in living form. I love making puppets. You can make puppets out of anything, especially free stuff, free junk that's everywhere and otherwise being thrown away. So one of these objects are the cylindrical, magical toilet paper roll. Let's see what we can do with this. What do you all think? Try to make your own. Let's see it. Have fun. Meow, meow, meow.